The days of when Captain Kirk spoke into his tiny wristwatch have arrived. Ken is with our resident nerd and co-founder of Nerds on Call to explain this new technology.
Hey, that's right, Marianne. Hanging out with Ryan, always good to see him because he's got some interesting things to talk about. Today, I guess the future is now.
Yeah, the future is the smartwatch.
Yeah.
So unfortunately, the video is not loading all of a sudden.
No.
But we were going to show a video of Captain Kirk and Dick Tracy and everybody else talking into hey, how you doing? Talking into your phone. Well, the future may not be quite as cool as we thought it was going to be.
Really?
So there's several smartwatches on the market right now that allow you to do different things. So imagine you can get phone calls on your watch, you can read emails on your watch, and text messaging on your watch. All of that sounds really cool when you're in the store.
Sure.
But as soon as you take your first trip and you're driving, and you realize you want to read that text really bad, oops, all of a sudden you're in an accident.
Yep.
Or imagine if you're in a coffee shop and you're taking that intimate call from your wife and you're talking about what the kids are doing at school or whatever. Well, everyone around you can hear you as you're talking.
It's all on speakerphone.
It's a speakerphone, but on your wrist. And this action starts to look uncool after about 10 seconds. So just throwing that out there. But now there's a huge demand for these things because look at this. This is the Pebble. This is the one that I'm wearing right now.
Now it looks cool. I have to say, it looks cool.
It is
nice
very
and
cool,
sleek and everything.
And it's got some great little features where you can change the watch face.
Clock on it. So
and you can do all kinds of fancy stuff on it. Read your text messages and your emails and all kinds of great stuff.
Okay.
But one of the drawbacks to this kind of watch is it can't really do much. There's about 90 apps for the Pebble, and that is the leader. And the beautiful thing about the Pebble is the people demanded this watch. It was originally a Kickstarter campaign. And what they did is they sold 250,000 of these to 69,000 different people. Over $10 million was raised in the Kickstarter campaign in less than a year. Well, as soon as they did that, what happened was the big boys started taking notice.
Of course.
So Samsung came out with theirs, and they're the ones with the great campaign with Captain Kirk and Spock doing all the stuff on this. But unfortunately, it only works with one phone, which is the Galaxy Note 3.
Right.
And it costs $300.
For that watch?
For basically the same kind of watch that you can get from Kickstarter for about $150.
So we're about to wrap it up here.
Okay. And then Sony, of course, has their version as well. This is $200. This has a touch screen, which is maybe just a little bit cooler. But overall, they're not quite ready for prime time, I would say. So if you're asking for one for Christmas, I would hold off for another year or two.
You know, a bunch of people are like, la 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 la, I'm not listening to you, I want that now.
Well, the Apple iWatch is still rumored to come out sometime next year.
All right, always good to see you, man. Thank you so much, Marianne. Back to you.
Good. Thanks, Ken.